Okay, so got the car back, and not saying the guy who did the work did this, but maybe it kind of looks like he hit a lift arm or a curb, or somebody did. I don't work at a shop anymore, so I didn't do it. But I'll show you guys real quick what I'm talking about. If the camera picks it up. Oh yeah, there it is. That drives me nuts. God almighty. I was joking about doing this, but I actually am going to do it. I got a little band-aid.
He's going to really do it.
So this is unfortunately not big enough. If you hit something, get a band-aid that fits the size. This one's close.
It's got a boo-boo.
Patch her up. If it's really bad, you can use some gauze pads.
That'll stop the bleeding.
Yeah.
Poor Camaro.
That looks worse than the scratch. I'm gonna take that off.
I was gonna say.
Wasted a band-aid.
But it was a good idea.
So that's that. Not sure what happened, but we went to a car wash, and I accused the manager or whatever. Did I accuse him? Kinda.
Sorta.
I kind of accused the guy.
A little bit.
I said, man, this was not here before. He's like, yeah, it was. He was like, I did a walk around and it's on my sheet of paper. And I was like, well, damn. So then I felt kind of bad. And then he felt bad. He was like, man, I should have told you. I thought you already knew about it, because as a car person, I should. I know like every scratch on this car. And somehow that one got by me. But I did pick it up last night in the dark. And today is my first day actually coming out and, you know, looking at it and driving it. So I would have noticed it at some point or another, but unfortunately, it's about 30 minutes after driving, I finally realized what happened. So,
and, you know, it is obvious because the rest of the car is mint. I mean.
Yeah, so that kills me.
I mean, rims, everything's mint up. Just, Jeremy went through, we both kind of fine-toothed every bit of it after that. Tell him it don't look as bad as he thinks it does. It's barely noticeable. It'll buff out. I'm pretty sure it'll buff out. We're gonna give it a try anyway.
I think at least the white,
I mean,
some of it's pretty deep. Okay, like here to here.
Is it pretty deep right there?
Some of this come out a little, but that little chunk right there is the only thing I'm worried about.
Oh yeah, it is a little deep right there, isn't it?
Yeah. Regardless, wish it didn't happen.
Yeah.
My heart, my soul.
The man has been distraught, I will say. He's been very distraught since he found that.
I haven't really gotten into it too hard, really hard at all, but you can definitely tell just by driving. It's going to be a huge difference and a huge improvement. Let me do this for you guys. It's cold.
That's dedication.
So you can see the bushings. If we can focus right there.
And no whine or anything.
No gear whine, thank God. So that is good. So basically, just waiting on Matt. We get cut. So when Matt gets here, we're gonna head out. I think he's riding with me, and we're gonna go ahead and roll up there. Might get some footage of Cars and Coffee. Probably will. Dude. What happened to my R?
The R!
Alright, so...
What did happen to the R?
Damn car wash. So it looks like we're doing
that is the car wash.
Sticker delete.
That is what happened. That is the car wash that done that. Oh, over there.
So, sticker delete. God almighty. That was 10 horsepower I'm losing.
That's good. We still have competition to have.
Oh yeah.
I got my tune right now.
Oh yeah, so JJ's got his tune right. So once I break in these gears, comment below guys. I've seen a lot on the break-in period and it looks like it takes freaking forever, but I know a lot of guys are just going and driving hard right out the box. So
I told him I didn't think he needed any break-in, but you know, I can't blame him for waiting. But what do you guys think?
Yeah, let us know for sure. Let me know if you like seeing videos of me taking off stickers. I'll make sure to post one.
It is so interesting.
I think it is.
I'm enjoying it. Look at that. Look at the style.
The satisfaction you get from pulling a sticker. I think we should leave that BM Scion
That's for sure.
would be.
What does that mean, man? Well, that's my turbo system.
Yeah, man, it's a DM song. Oh my god. All right, so I guess you guys are tired of seeing this, so see you guys in a little bit. There he is, the man of the hour. Nope. Well, whatever, there it is. That's for the after party.
You can edit it. Kitty, kitty, kitty.
There's Buck. He's thirsty, ain't you?
Yeah.
You thirsty?
Yeah.
Don't you do it. Man, I'm trying to cut him back, honestly. He's starting to develop a problem. Watch out, dude. He drinks too damn much. All right, so we're about to roll out, guys. See you in a little bit. What's up, guys?
What's up, man?
You might have seen these guys in the, well, I'll say the last video. A few videos back. Yeah, boy. Got some cool stuff out here.
Right now, I'm not dropping mine. I'm just going to put a nice coilover system on it.
Hey, baby.
You walked away and they all congregated.
There's really nothing to look at under there, though.
You might not know if they don't think.
Trader, what's up, man? You come over, park next to these guys.
Hey, man, my brethren. You know what I'm saying?
They'd run me off if I parked here. That's why I'll park next to the GTI.
Awesome, man.
I'll leave him along with the brethren.
I was really amazed what kind of car I got.
We got a break in. Okay, that's pretty bad right there. Yeah, that's pretty bad. Yeah. That's bad. Oh yeah.
Yeah, you're gonna, yeah, don't expect it.
Yeah, that's nice, dude.
Yeah, that crane is set up right there.
I gotta get all these cards in here because last time I went to Eden, they were like, you didn't even go to the cars, man.
Oh, that's all I have.
Traitor.
Right out. Do a little twerk.
Hey, get it? Power stroke.
Say it again.
Power stroke.
I'm gonna edit that some way.
Power stroke.
Finally got my brakes on.
Oh yeah, yeah.
Finally got your brakes on?
Was that? I saw your.
Well,
Oh yeah. Cross real slider rotors, y'all. Look at that.
and they work great, let me tell you.
Yeah.
Would you recommend them to a friend?
Oh yeah, absolutely.
I would have to see what happened today.
Even though they were only $163 on eBay.
For a whole set?
Yeah.
For the whole set.
Dude, you can't beat that. I don't care if it's eBay.
Motor.
Back in the car, speed limit 65, and JJ's like 20 freaking bus lengths ahead of us. Heading back from Cars and Coffee in Kernersville.
We didn't get any coffee.
We did not get any coffee, and it's kind of funny. I didn't even see a coffee shop out there.
Starbucks was right there.
Starbucks was right there. I don't really drink coffee often. I don't know, maybe 3 times a day, so I don't really look out for that kind of stuff. No, but we might have a cup every couple of days, but mostly, you know, it's the Monster. Funny, we ran up on, well, one guy on a 5.0 flew past us. There's another one up there in SRT4, and unfortunately, we had literally taken the exit right when we kind of caught up to him. So that sucked. That would have been pretty fun. Got some good footage out of it. 391 gears finally installed. So far, really happy about it. But like I said, there's supposed to be like a 500-mile break-in period. You got to do some heat cycles. Let the rear diff get hot, park it overnight or for a number of hours, start it back up. Basically just letting it cool off and heat back up. So really, it's got to go through a few cycles of that. And I'll be honest, I'm like so tempted to, oh God, utilize these gears. The guy who installed them was like, man, go ahead, have at it. So well, let me know what you guys think. Drop a comment down there. I don't know if I should give it hell or if I should just wait a little while. Knowing me being on the safe side, I'll probably wait.
Good, buddy. Look real good.
Quiet sleeper mode.
Hey, look at that girl's face. I tried to slip it. That wasn't bad.
That was not bad at all. It looked great.
Dude, I can't wait to see that video and all sorts of weird, funny faces.
Serious, you're like,
damn Hank Hill, man. Whoa. I let out as soon as I grabbed fifth. I took it to fifth gear.
Oh, wow. No wonder you were rolling so damn fast.
Oh, Matt's sitting there. Keep going, keep going. Okay.
I just wanted him to push it.
Anyways, guys, thanks for watching. See you next time.